Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of glasses that I've got lately, and that's myopia glasses, which are nearsighted glasses, as I have problem with seeing a little bit far away, so I need nearsighted glasses. So I've got ones not at doctor office because it's quite expensive, but I've got, as in Poland when I was living, I knew my prescription, which is -1 near it, so I decided to get online. But mostly they sell plus reading glasses, and I was wondering if you can buy online minus glasses. So I searched eBay and I found some pairs, so I want to unbox. And I also got so first one, I've got these ones. They come in this cute pouch case, and you open like so, and it's called 2 pairs nearsighted, 3 case storage, new, made in China. I will show link below. I've got them on Amazon, but I also saw them on eBay, and I overpaid, because on Amazon they were more expensive and you can get them on eBay more cheaper. So they come, so here is the inside, how it looks. This is quite cool. And then it comes with this thing, which you can also rub your glasses with this thing. And then I've got 2 pairs. One is black, like looking like so, and they are -1. And let's try them on, and the details looks like this. I don't have hinge here, but this pair have something like here, some mechanism that it allow it to little bit spread on sides. See? So it's good because if you have wider head, you can still wear them. And some glasses cheap from dollar store, for example, they don't have it. That's why many glasses that I buy, sunglasses in some cheap stores, they are tight here. So these ones are good because they don't tight. So let's try them on. So in these ones I look like this. Funny. And they find for me good quality, I think, for the price. And you can get them for $20 on eBay and $25, I think, on the Amazon. So these ones are black ones, and they looks like this. And I've also got these ones. These ones are flowery. Looks like this, and they are looking the same. They are made in China, and I don't know, they only have that number here, so they don't have any name, but they are narrow. But I like that they spread here. These ones look like this. Not bad. I prefer these ones because they're flowery, and actually black ones can be too. And another pair I've got, which is different brand totally. I've got it here, so I show you. So the name is Cyxus brand, blue light blocking by Cyxus or Cyxus. And these glasses are for computer, and they also have, these ones have also the nearsighted glasses for me, and they are for computer because they have technology that they protect from blue light. And as here it says, they are anti-fatigue, minimize digital headache, better sleeping, and UV protection. So let's open them. And they are even support, which is here. So they come with this thing, which is some kind of cloth. And then inside, I've got them on eBay, by the way. They come in pouch or case. Let's open like so. And inside, I didn't even know they come in this when I was buying them. So that's cool because you can put them in handbag or backpack and they will be not smashed. And here packaging looks like this. And here they are, looking like so. These ones are bigger because I liked the bigger ones for computer protection. So these ones looks like this. They are black, shiny kind of. This one's also spread a little bit, but they have different kind of connection here. Like they are connected different. I mean with some kind of screw here. And these ones are designed in USA. Here it says designed in USA. And this one looks like this. So they are bigger. You have some things here. This size is 130 millimeters, I think. No, not sure. Maybe a little more, because it wasn't specified. But they have that blue anti-blue light blocking glasses. But actually I don't see much blue in them. I mean, I don't see much. I see some violet hinges. But I got also this testing kit. It says, let's see, it says Cyxus caring for your eyes. Here is such card, and it says get the blue light torch from the package, put the lens of Cyxus glasses above the testing area, turn on the torch, beam the testing area through the lens. About 2 seconds, the area hardly turns blue. Beam the area without Cyxus glasses. I don't know how to spell the brand. Beam the area without glasses. The area turn blue immediately. Okay, so I can test it. So let's see. This thing's cute. Looks like this. So you can even wear it on key something. Will it produce blue light? Yeah, look guys. It does. So let's put it here. See, it's reflecting that thing. And now let's put this like so, and it doesn't reflect. See? That's cool. Yeah, it doesn't. And without, yeah, it does. See, it doesn't make it visible, and without it does. So yeah, that's cool. So let's go to glasses for computer. And this brand also provides lifetime warranty. If any manufacturing defects are found on the glasses, please send us the photos of a damaged part and we will resend a brand new one to you. If you accidentally damage the glasses, we will offer you a new identical pair at 50% off the current retail price. Notice we're only keeping this lifetime warranty card. Can you enjoy all of our after sale services in a lifetime? I see. So these ones I have 1 and 0.25 minus 1.25. And guys, on this card looks like this. And these glasses are unisex. Can be worn by women and guys, men and women. So yeah, that's my today unboxing. That's my today unboxing of 3 pairs of glasses. So this one's from eBay, but this one doesn't have that blue light blocking technology, and these ones have. And in future I also bought glasses from iBuyDirect which I will unbox in future videos, so hope you will stay tuned, subscribe, and you will see more videos about it. So hit thumbs up, subscribe, you can hit notification bell to be notified when I upload, and also check out my blog, which link will be down below. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye. Actually, I don't know if I did it correctly, but once again, when you hold it like that and little bit go like this, see, and making like visible. That's what I didn't show you. And then it disappear. See? So that's without the glasses. And with glasses, when I try to do it like so, and try to beam it into it. It doesn't do. It doesn't make that things. See, doesn't react. Let's go. Okay, see you later.